everyone! Kumusta? Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel. This is unisex, guys. We love the material. Smells just so good. So everyone, for today's video is obviously from Pixbag.ru. Thank you so much for reaching out. This is a new company. Thank you. I am so grateful to have you here in my channel. So in return to this, I will be doing an unboxing and a detail of information of what kind of quality is their product. Okay, everything here is my own personal opinion. And of course, I will do a try on outdoor to this as always. Right? So a very brief information about this company, guys. This is another online store and to market. They carry luxury replica products such as bags, accessories, shoes, sunglasses, belt, watches, everything that we needed in our everyday lifestyle. They do carry those kind of product, and they use the very original material as well. Take note, and I have a discount coupon here. You can use my discount coupon Lisa 5% off. That really helps, not that much, but at least to add on a little bit of savings, a little bit of discount, a little bit of money that will help to our pocket, right? And that could put something on our table too. And you can reach out to them through WhatsApp. I have here the information, okay? And also you can go through email. You can go check their website. Everything is down below in this video. Please go check, guys. And don't forget to use my coupon, Lisa 5%. That will help. So here are a few samples from their products, guys. At least you can have an idea of what products they are carrying in the market, right? So I have here, okay, they have so much choices. Summer is here. Definitely, you deserve a gift to yourself. It does feels good when you give a gift to yourself. You know, I've been telling this always all the time because you work hard so much. You deserve a gift for yourself. So you can buy here in this store. They do have a lot of items, products that has a top grade quality. Use the original material. I know this is a replica, but as I've said, this is all my opinion. And yeah, please carry on, take a look on their product so you can have an idea. And please don't use to forget my coupon Lisa 5. That will help. All right, so let's jump into the unboxing. I can't really wait to my try on outdoor to this. All right, so let's begin the unboxing. Please careful in using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. Okay, I got this. Good packaging, bubble wrap, very protected. Ding. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, hey, look at this. Oh my God, this is so cool. Okay, let's take this off. And this one here. Let's take this. And all right, 10. Guys, look at this. I like the strap, very heavy duty. I like this kind of strap. Okay, all right, so I have name here. I'm not so sure. I hope you can see that clearly. Okay, not too close to my light. And okay, so let's take this off. Very sealed. So ta-da! Guys, it smells just so good. Really. Okay. I have one outside pocket here. Okay. And you hear that? Zipper smooth, slide perfectly. And I have one here. There's no pocket. This is all I got. Okay, and there is a name. All right. And this has a generous room. Very generous room. We can put our phone here, wallets, and more. See? And please take note, this is unisex, guys. All right? So the handle are super heavy duty. If you can check that. Right? And this one is an adjustment depending on your preference. If you are, tall, then you can adjust this. This is the adjustment belt. I like the idea to have this cross bag because it's just easy to carry, and at the same time, if you feel like holding, then just do like this, right? And let's check the material. Okay, so the material is soft, like what do we call this? It's a kind of leather that is like a rubber leather, that kind of stuff. Yeah, and it's just soft that to the point that it's heavy duty soft, so that's my own personal opinion of this. And this has a name, very obvious, a name on the strap or on the shoulder belt or something. What do you call this? This has a name on it, engraved. And also in the zipper, there is an engraved letter too. I hope you can see that clearly. Huh? Right? So this has an engraved letter to the name of this with that, right? And let's check the stitches. Everything is perfect. I don't see out of line stitches. Very nice quality. Thank you so much, Pix Bag. That are you for this? I super love it. Really. And guys, this is unisex. And you can use my discount coupon, Lisa 5%. That helps. Not much lot, but at least something to save and put on our table, or to buy something, or lessen the amount of what you wish to purchase on. Okay, so please go check online. I will have all the description, or I have all the description and the detail of information of this company. And I have, as I've said, I have the email here, and I have the WhatsApp information here too. So please go check, guys. And you can use my coupon as, once again, Lisa 5%. That will help. Right. So, heavy duty though. Super heavy duty. I super love the material. Smells just so good. I can't wait to try this outdoor. Please see me there. Thank you.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, endless adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just